What it is, YouTube fam? We finna react to my boy Sherman. Let's see what finna happen.
Thank you, boy.
What the fuck is that? Is that a vibrator going off or what? That shit loud though.
That's odd.
That's a vibrator, bro.
I don't know, but I couldn't hear. No.
God damn. Need a getting off? You need a getting off, boy. Sherman, you ain't doing your job, boy. See? You steady chasing tails. Why you girl? You not pleasing your shorty? See what happens? Young buck gonna be in the system soon. That shit gonna be over.
Like booty talk.
Over.
I should have found one of my DVDs.
This nigga so fucking like, bro. Fellas, you gotta be confident in yourself, yes, but don't be full of yourself to the point where you don't know what's going on in your home. This nigga talking about she find a booty talk. Man, how long have you satisfied your shorty? All right? You think she sees up, eh? Jesus Christ! You like that, Miss Nita? You like that? God damn, you finna drown that dreadhead boy, eh? I'm telling you. Jeez, I bet Sherman didn't know she could do that. I bet.
No, that's not like booty talk. I should have found
Jesus
one of my DVDs.
Christ.
Me.
What?
Girl, like you done caught the fountain of youth or something. What is? You can't wait for me?
No.
Dang. This is,
Jesus.
I mean,
Christ.
it's nasty, but I like it. Well, girl, I just got home. Can you give me a moment? Because we can go and finish up. You got it all.
She don't want you, Sherman. I promise you. She done at this moment. You see, she just hit you with the splish splash. You didn't see that? She only hit you with the ocean just now. She and Shayla, man, I know what's wrong with them.
On the couch.
I'm done.
How long you been in here?
Damn.
I don't know. I wasn't timing myself.
Why you ain't call me, girl? I could have came home earlier.
I didn't.
Shut up. Shut up. Now you want Shorty to call you? Huh? Chasing them young tears, not giving a wife no attention?
Need you to come on.
You ain't, obviously. You trying to drive me or something. You out here waiting up the whole office. And what you doing in the office?
Privacy. In
Privacy.
case you came home and I didn't think you was gonna come over my way.
So you just gonna wet up our office furniture and wet me up at the same time? Jesus Christ.
It's okay, Sherman.
It's okay.
I said the same shit, Sherman. No cap. I said the same shit.
So you just
Jesus.
gonna wet up our office furniture and wet me up at the same time? Jesus Christ.
It's okay, Sherman.
It's okay. I mean, you're doing a lot of stuff you ain't done in a long time. You know, you doing splits and now you got waterfalls coming out yourself like a Niagara Falls and stuff.
I told you my youth was coming back.
You ain't lying, girl. Shoot. Let me go get me a bottle of Ensure. I'll be back to you in a minute.
Nita, you got tatted?
You being stingy with yourself, so I have to handle my own business, Sherman.
Well, listen, I'm here now. As soon as I come up from underwater, I'm gonna be ready for you, girl. I ain't gonna deprive you no more.
Okay, well, I
Oh,
appreciate
you
it.
almost you must have been backed up.
Yeah.
That was a gusher.
You say?
Jesus. All right now. Real warm too. You know, it's like you've been keeping that like insulated for a while.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be ice cold.
No, it sure ain't. It sure wasn't. Now, it's just to tighten it up now. You got like trying to be all cute and shy. You let loose now. I see what we talking about, girl. I'm glad I'm ready for you now. You know, I'm healed too. You done got over that little situation.
Man, shut up. Shorty ain't stunting you. Shorty stunting that young buck, bro. Shorty ain't stunting you, bro. You better pop your pills and do all you want.
You said you ready. I think you gonna kind of revitalize yourself.
I just released, so we have to wait.
All right. Well, cool. I'll be back in about like 5 or 6 minutes. You think you?
Tuh. Shorty done. Shorty ain't want that. Shorty used to that. Shorty want something that she haven't seen before.
Oh, I'm sorry.
What you laughing about?
I'm good.
You good?
Mm-hmm.
It ain't like you to be denying me too much, but. Alright, I guess you're alright, but I'm gonna have to be keeping temperature on you or something. You going through a change?
No.
You
Yeah.
squared out here like Moby Dick, girl. I don't know. Well, maybe I need to not say that word.
Yeah, okay.
Look at you. I can't even be mad. I'm kind of happy. You out here taking care of yourself. I guess less work for me, but I'm still gonna help out a little bit.
Okay, I'm good.
Sherman, you one stupid, naive motherfucker, boy. I'm telling you. Boy, just hope at least Nita ain't stupid to bring the young buck at your house, but boy, whoo, when you find out, you gonna have a stroke like Anthony, boy. I'm telling you. Like, comment, subscribe, share, catch you on another one. Peace.